Hi, I'm Rachel from South London. I came here just to have some time for myself, spend time with like-minded people and just get more flexible, I think, with Pilates and yoga.
Hi, I'm Helen, I live in Devon, and I was really looking forward to coming here, the break. Really enjoy doing Pilates, looking forward to doing it every day, and that with the yoga has been a lovely combination. The weather's amazing, it's been fantastic to meet a really nice group of people. It's a really nice atmosphere here, and just having a really lovely relaxing time and feeling very fit and flexible.
No, it has just been really lovely doing the Pilates and the yoga every day. I've loved it. And then we did the sun salutations this morning, didn't we? At dawn, and that was really special. Never done that before. Didn't know really what to expect, but really enjoyed it.
And the food,
Oh yeah, the food.
absolutely amazing, really super healthy, plenty of it, and just really vibrant, colourful, healthy food. Really loving that. Looking forward to every meal.
Definitely. And hopefully go home and try and cook some bits and pieces what we've had this week.
Yes, got some good recipe ideas.